The President's Justice Department is coming under new scrutiny over its surveillance of the Trump campaign. Chief Intelligence Correspondent Catherine Herridge tells us about a big announcement today on the Fisa court. Good evening, Catherine.
Well, thank you, Brett. The Justice Department's internal watchdog, knee-deep in the investigation of the handling of the Clinton email case, will now take on alleged surveillance abuse during the 2016 election.
Yes, it will be investigated.
Taking questions at a Justice Department news conference on the opioid crisis, the Attorney General was pressed on the House Intelligence Committee memos and whether laws were broken when a surveillance warrant was granted for Trump campaign aide Carter Page.
Will your department investigate, and if the evidence is there, hold FBI and Justice Department officials in contempt?
We believe the Department of Justice must adhere to the highest standards in the Fisa court. I think that's just the appropriate thing. The Inspector General will take that as one of the matters he'll deal with.
After rescheduling, White House Communications Director Hope Hicks finally testified behind closed doors.
As I read her, she is more than willing to answer every possible question. The White House and the states will decide what they're going to do in the executive privilege. That's up to them.
A Republican source said Hicks answered questions about the campaign, but not about her time in the White House. It's not clear whether she invoked executive privilege.
I'm not going to comment on any individual's interactions with the committee, but we are cooperating because, as the president has said repeatedly, there is no collusion.
Also on Capitol Hill, the director of the National Security Agency was pressed by Senate Democrats on the administration's commitment to thwarting Russia's past and future election interference.
You said that President Trump has never ordered Cybercom to take any action to defend or thwart Russian attempts to meddle in the elections this fall. Is that correct?
I've never given any specific direction to take additional steps outside my authority, and I have taken the steps within my authority, trying to be a good proactive commander.
Rogers said punishing the Russians could take many forms, from diplomacy to economic sanctions and offensive cyber capabilities.
There are tools available to us, and again, I think in fairness, you can't say nothing's been done, but my point would be it hasn't been enough.
But the White House disagreed.
We are taking a number of steps to prevent this, and we're looking at a variety of other ways that we're going to continue to implement over the coming weeks and months.
In a separate development, the special counsel has moved to dismiss the bank and tax fraud charges in Virginia against former Trump campaign associate Rick Gates. The filing is tied to Gates' agreement Friday to plead guilty to conspiracy to defraud the United States and lying to the FBI, Brett.
Catherine, thank you.
You're welcome.